Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, today I went shopping and I had to tell you and show you what I got. So, I'm sure you know by the title, because I don't know what I'm going to title with this. I got a thing that's going around. I got it. So, I went to Hot Topic, and you know what's at a Hot Topic? I got the 90s Nickelodeon palette, and this is so freaking cool. I love this. I think it's awesome. So I'm really excited to try this out. I heard it's great. I heard it's amazing, so I can't wait to try this out. I also got the Ohana one, Lilo and Stitch. Like, are you kidding me? Look at this mirror. This is amazing. This is amazing. I also got Tish and Snooki's Manic Panic New York City, and it's this, and it's called Amplified. This one feels the cheapest out of everything. This is what it looks like. Get to all of these colors. So I think I'm just going to do the Nickelodeon 90s palette, and I'm really excited because there's just like a lot of things in this palette that I love, especially Rugrats, Hey Arnold, and Cat Dog. There's also Ren and Stimpy or something like that. I can't remember. It's been a really long time since I've seen them. So yeah, I love how I'm seeing like non-90s babies get these. Like, do you understand what I'm saying? Like, you're not a 90s baby. I'm barely a 90s baby. I'm a 98 baby. But still, you know, I had a sister. I have a sister. I do have a sister who was born in 92, so like I know a lot of 90s things, and I am born in the 90s, so let's just go ahead and put this on my eyelids. I'm so excited. Okay, so it comes with like this plastic coating around it. So I first saw this on Twitter, I believe. And the first person I saw do something with it was Glam and Glor. And then I saw Laura Lee. I think Laura Lee did this. I'm almost positive that she did. And then I saw Jeffree Star do this. So, you know, I'm a little late to the game, but it's cool. I just got it. So, you can do some pretty crazy looks with this, and I have to get my creative juices flowing because I don't know what I want to do. This blue is like speaking to me, and this orange as well. This orange and this green. So I got laser eye surgery, and my eyes are still a little sore, so that kind of hurt just brushing them on there. So whatever, I'm just gonna bring my brushes close, and then, oh my goodness. Guys, what do I do? Okay, so I think I'm gonna take this this green shade. I'm gonna take this yellow shade, and it is called Hi Ho Diggity, and I'm just gonna, oh, pretty pigmented. It's a lot. It's really pigmented. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to take the Morphe E17 and dip into this blue. Just... Okay, so the blue is pretty patchy, but, you know, I really can't complain because I feel like you can work with these shadows, you know? So I just feel like the blue blends to, like, a whole different color. I mean, like, okay, I mean, whatever, but not really what I was wanting. Well, it's cool. It's cool. I'm gonna use the brush that it came with, and it's just like a little shader brush, so I'm gonna use it, and I'm gonna spray it I'm gonna spray my brush with a little MAC Fix Plus. Oh, this glittery. This all glitter. Oh my goodness, why is it all glitter? It's not even showing up though. Oh wow. So this is not, no, this is not, I'm like, watch. Just gonna give it a little bit of a dig. Do you see how much I dug in that? Alright, so we're just gonna go a different route. We're not gonna use the green, it's fine. RAR wasn't meant to be used, I guess. So we're gonna go with, oh my god, it's stuck to my eye. We're gonna go with this purple. It's really pretty. So this is more like a sheen and like a shimmer rather than a glitter. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so pretty. Even though there's like green in it, that is so pretty. I'm living. I love. Hello. I feel beautiful. Oh my goodness. Yes. I just want to put that all over my lid and call it a freaking day. Oh my gosh. So this is super smoky, but who cares? Not me. I just want you guys to know, like, I'm using a felt tip. I am. Even though I freaking hate it. I am. So much fallout. So the one thing this palette does have is fallout. It is the queen of fallout. Let me go ahead and finish the other eye. This one, and then I will be right. Alright guys, so I have finished the look using the Nickelodeon eyeshadow palette from the 90s. And so far, sorry, these eyelashes are a little wonky, but it's cool. So overall, oh my god, I forgot to do, oh my god, hold on, because I knew something looked a little different. I forgot to do my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight on the other eye. There we go. Alright, so overall, I think the palette is great, especially for being from Hot Topic. So, you know, I don't necessarily think it's the best formula in the whole entire world. But I think it is a great formula for being the quality. And I think it was only like around $15 if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember completely, but it was somewhere around in that price range. And I think that's pretty good for, you know, a 90s palette. Do I think I would use this palette again? Possibly. It's very hard for me to go back to eyeshadow palettes because I have so many. And it being this quality, probably not, but I think it is a great collector's item. I'm also going to give out the, give the Lilo and Stitch and the Snicky one a try. Ooh, excuse me. I'm also going to give those a try as well. But overall, I think this is a great palette. You know, you definitely have to work with it, but overall, great collector's item. I'm so excited that I have it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all into my next video. Bye guys.